Hello everyone, my name is Rajeev Ranjan and I belong from Patna, Bihar. I have done BTech Mechanical Engineering from MD Rohtak, Haryana. And from mechanical background, I am facing lot of problem to get a job in IT field. There is no option for me how to get a job in IT field. And for the support of Evision, today I got a job in IT sector and placed in IT company successfully, whose name is CMS IT Gurgaon location, and I got a package of 2.8 LPA. And I really thanks to Nandini ma'am, Sati ma'am, and all the Evision team, and as well as the faculty member of Evision team. They are very supportive, very helpful, and those student and those working professionals whose background is not in IT sector and come to join in IT company, most welcome in Evision, and who can join and start their career in IT sector. Really very feeling very glad today. Thank you so much.